So previous to the break, we were seeing about the indexing, negative indexing. So far, any doubt? One assignment I have given. What was the assignment? Can anybody repeat?
Sir, -2 0.
Which one?
-2 to 0 print.
Ha, -2 to 0. Or this one also. -3 to -1. I think this was also some creating some problem. Sorry, no, this one -2 to -0 or -3 to -0. What is the problem between this one? Okay, why it is not taking?
Sir, earlier the declaration went into the comment section. Maybe that's why it has given only blank.
Now next one is, sir, next one is that is the 1 minute. 1 minute. One thing is there. This one, blank indexing. Blank indexing. Okay, what does it mean by the blank indexing? Like we can take the example of this one. Control C and put Control V. Then suppose I'm not mentioning here 0. Okay, I am leaving this space. Starting index blank and ending ending indexing is 5. So what it will print, sir? Whether it is valid or not?
Valid, sir.
So what will be the
Valid,
output
sir.
of this?
Sir, from 0 to
It will read blank as 0.
It will print 1, 2, 8 Nitin and Umaji. Okay, 1, 2, 8 Nitin and Umaji. Let us check the indexing at where Umaji comes. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if it is a 5, definitely it will take the element up to 4. Is that okay? Second last index prior to this, the last index it will take. That means if it is a 5, up to 4 it will take. Up to 4 it will take. And if it is not mentioned, here, so what it will take? It will count from the very first index. In our case, very
0,
first index
0.
start from the 0. So it will take the automatically from 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, now we will repeat same procedure. We will repeat for right side also. Here I am mentioning the 1 and sorry,
right.
And let it here blank. Whether it is valid?
Not valid. Valid, sir.
Valid, sir. It
Valid.
will go up to 7.8.
So what will be the output?
2 to 7.8, sir.
चलिए चेक करते हैं सर, मुझे भी नहीं पता.
Infinite it wants to.
ये आ रहा है सर.
Okay.
So what it will be? Let us check. One index is 0, 1. 1 means 2. It is taking 2. It is okay. It is okay. But up to how long it is taking? Up to it is 7.8 it is taking. That means entire list will be printed. Entire list will be printed. Now you got this point or not? Yes. These indexing. Is there any doubt inside this?
Sir, it will not show any error, sir, because end is not mentioned.
End is not mentioning means in the interpreter it is predefined that if end is not mentioned, that means automatically it will take this last element. And in starting it, if it is not mentioned, so it will start with the index 0.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Now again, suppose I don't mention anything, whether it is valid or not.
Valid, sir.
Valid.
Valid, sir.
It
How,
will
how it
print
is
all the
valid?
elements. All the elements it will
It
print.
will
sir.
take all the
All the elements will be
All the
displayed, sir.
elements.
Okay, let us check. Let us check, sir. Let us check. Okay, wait. Let us check. It definitely you are right. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
है ना? It will take all the elements. One more thing. I will take this one. Shall I send this program or practice program to all your learning group?
Yes, sir.
है ना? I will send this one also. Same practice you will make. Same practice you will make at least one or twice. After that, you make your own list and make experiment on that.
Okay.
1 minute. I will forward through the WhatsApp. One magic is there. Let us try for negative indexing. This one. It is taking 7.8. It is taking 7.8. Why it is so? Why it is so? Why is taking
Sir,
only
minus 1 to
7.8?
last. Minus 1 to last.
Last element, yes, sir.
Minus 1 to?
Seven, last element. The
No,
7.8 is the last
But
element.
here it is printing 7.8 only.
Minus 1 to 0, I think. 0. It is minus 1 to 0.
It is minus 1 to
0.
0. Definitely. Let us check it for the another element also. Plus 1. Now what it is taking? Minus 2. Minus 2 means this one. Minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 is 5.6. Okay, then minus 1. It will reduce now. Slowly it will decrement. Minus 1. That is the 7.8. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? And in case of minus 1, 7.8. And next item is 0, for minus 1. So that's why it skipped this one. So only 7.8 is printed. Now again. Minus 1. Minus 1, 2. So let's say 3. Again. It is taking the null. Why it is taking the null?
Space followed by 3. It is not recognized, I think.
No. It doesn't matter. Let us check. Minus 1 where it is? 5.6. है ना? Minus 1 is, sorry, 7.8.
7.8.
Then minus 2. Minus 2, whatever it may be. 5.6. Sorry, it will decrement. Minus 1 means 7.8. Then 0. Okay. 0 means 1. 1 means 0, 1, 2. It should print, but why it is taking null? It is your assignment part. It is your assignment. You again take this one as a assignment. You again take this one. Otherwise, I will take this in the class. Okay, or in the WhatsApp group itself, I will take. Sorry. Have you taken this as an assignment? Two things I have told, this one and this one. Have you noted down this one? Now let us move further. Another one is how to add item. How to add item in this one list. How to add item in the list. Then how you will add? How you will add? One method is there, that is the append. That is the append. Like APPEND append. Append. Suppose you want to mention, you want to append Vijay. Sorry. Here it is mentioned Vijay in the Y list. Here Vijay is mentioned in the Y.
Not mentioned.
So what it will print? Print Y again. Vijay is added. Vijay is added. Okay, so Vijay is added on the last position of this list. That is the append. Now you want to add, suppose you want to add at particular index, at particular index in this one. So what is the thing? Which method you will use? The method is insert. Insert, like Y dot insert, suppose at 2 comma you add Neha. Neha is there? No. No. So it at which location it will be added? Let us check.
Question number 2.
Before 8.
Before
Now check. 0, 1, 2.
before 8.
At second position. 0, 1, 2. Here no indexing will be changed. It will take directly 2. Only in case of indexing. Only in case of indexing, it will take the second last element. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So directly if you want to add in the list, so you can use the append, and if you want to insert at particular location, then you have to add this one. Another thing is, let us try one thing more. Okay, I want to change one element. I want to change one element. Suppose Y of at second position, what is the element? 2. 2 equals to Y of what are the payment? Wait. Suppose Vijay is there, or Ramesh is there. Ramesh is there. So I am adding the name of Ramesh. Ramesh. So what will be the output of this one?
Neha will be replaced with Ramesh.
Should it replace this one or it will add with the 2?
Replace. I think replace.
Replace, sir. Replace. Add means insert. We have to put them.
And now here one problem is there. Previous element was this one. Reserve memory in the list. Sir, please listen carefully. Last element reserved memory was for the integer. But here the next element is string. Okay, so it will not take. It will not take. You need to mention here only. You can replace it with the integer value, less like 78. So I hope it will work. What it is saying, what it is showing?
No.
Y of 2. Okay. Sorry.
Equal to symbol.
No.
So directly if it write
No.
Ramesh,
It will take. No, it will take. I was changing with the index. Now it will take.
Now
Okay.
it is taken.
Previously it was Neha. Now Neha replaced by Ramesh. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? So like that, any indexing you can make here, and you can make change inside that. Okay. Up to this, any doubt? One more thing I want to say.
हेलो हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं हाँ लिंक चेक किया उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम था प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट हो गया है अब अभी भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है क्या ओके नहीं आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही क्या बोल रहे हैं एक बार चेक करवा लीजिए और अभी भी दिक्कत है ना तो एक ट्रेस रूप किसी भी साइट का गूगल का या किसी भी साइट का
Hello,
उसका ट्रेस मेल कीजिए
all of you are getting my voice?
yes sir.
Sir, आ रहा है, sir.
What I have done here, I have simply replaced the y of 1. Okay, y of 1 means this element 2
Yeah.
with the addition of the indexing at 3 and indexing at 7. Okay, and simply assign the memory inside the first element. So this operation is also valid. Like that, you can make the this one also, multiply also, you can make the division also, and you can make the anything. Is that clear, sir? Any doubt? Now you want to remove. Suppose you want to 1 minute. You want to remove any item. So you can take this one. Y dot remove. What I want to remove? Say 1 I want to say Ramesh I want to remove. Ramesh. Is that clear?
Previous one is output you will get, sir. Y of 1 output.
Print of y. What it will give?
Remove Ramesh.
In this case, Ramesh is removed. In this case, Ramesh is removed. Okay, Ramesh is removed. In this case. Okay, so remove method can be used to delete the particular element. Another one is del. If you want to delete complete list, if you want to delete the complete list, you will use the method delete, del y. Okay, what it will do?
Total list will be total list.
Okay, let us print again, print y. It will throw error. Y is not defined. Is that clear?
Sir, doubt, sir.
Huh. What is the doubt?
Sir, that y of 1 is equal to y of 3 plus y of 7. What is the output of that one, sir? Third element and seventh element will be combined and will
index the item at indexing 3. Okay, just listen carefully. I want to replace the element of position 1. Position 1. What I have? I have the 2. Okay.
2.
I want to replace the 2 with the item of indexing, that item at position indexing 3 and indexing at 7 with the addition of both. Clear, sir?
Okay.
Is that clear? But the condition is it should be of same data type. Same, that means integer or float, it is okay. But I think integer, float or this string will not be taken.
Okay.
CPU okay, वहीं पे local है, PCM down दिख रहा है ISBT पे.
है sir?
Sir, y of 3 means that Nitin, no sir? Nitin plus
y of 3
7.
is nothing but whatever the elements you have in your list at the index position 3.
वहीं पे दिखा रहा है ISBT पे दिखा रहा है.
Okay, and y of 7 means whatever element at index position indexing number 7 you have, and simply operator whatever it may be a multiplication, it may be this one also. क्या नाम है आपका? It can be division also. Any operation can be performed in the list.
अरे remove सही काम कर रहा है. Remove is working well.
हाँ, remove is working. I want to remove the Ramesh from the list, so I will use the remove from the this one. This remove is for removing one particular item. Removing one particular item from the list. And I want to delete complete list.
हाँ, एक पे दिया है.
I want to delete complete list, then I will use the del keyword. Del is the keyword. It is okay.
Sir.
Huh.
So since one y of 3 plus and so string cannot be added to a number, we will get error, sir, in that output.
No, 3 will not be added. 3 will not be added. 3 will not be added.
Hello?
Next element at index number 3.
Yes, sir.
Y of 3 means y of 3 is nothing but it is not a number. 3 is not a number. Y of 3 means the number at position index 3. Y of 7 means the element at index number 7.
Okay.
And the addition of this will be placed in the whatever at the position number 1 in the memory. Because list is nothing but just like an array. It will acquire the complete memory in the form of blocks, basically. One block for 1, one block for 2, one block for 8, one block for little, like that.
Okay.
But once it is reserved for particular data type, that is the Nitin is a string types, it cannot be replaced with the 8, number 8.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Hello?
Yes, sir, no doubt, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, na? So I think this much is sufficient for today. This is the what I want to tell about the list. Your today portion list is completed, and another class I will take the tuple and set and dictionary. Again, 4 type of things are also there that comes under the array part, and it is very important or base of data analysis. Okay, and till then my sincere request और मेरी हाथ जोड़ के आप लोगों से request है, क्योंकि you all are the sincere and you attached with the since beginning from me with me, कि आप इसकी खूब सारी प्रैक्टिस करें जितनी कर सकें. I will give the frequent assignment for this on a learning group. Okay, ये पहले तो आप, मैं ये प्रोग्राम अभी आपको ना ग्रुप में शेयर कर रहा हूँ, आप इन्हें एज इट इज ट्राई करें. And 2 assignments I have given. 2 assignments I have given. Can anybody repeat what as assignment I have given?
Sir, one is print by
Sir, minus
index
zero,
-2
minus
to
2
0.
0
हाँ
minus 3 minus 1.
हाँ, और
-1
कंप्लीट
to
एक्सप्लेनेशन
-3.
चाहिए मुझे इसकी, कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेनेशन भी चाहिए उसमें लर्निंग ग्रुप में. ओके, otherwise I will take, don't worry about that, it is for your practice point of view. Okay, don't be afraid about this one. At least spare some 5-4 minutes for this one. And today I will give the assignment from that book also that I have shared in the learning group. So, and just now I am forwarding this program in your learning group. Is that clear, sir? Are you happy with the learning?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please share your feedback, whether it is positive, negative, in all your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, like always. Okay, and please encourage all of your friends to learn basically, and whatever may be the circumstances, whatever the hurdles we will face in the life, I believe in the God, and definitely with the in the true means we will try to learn a lot of things, and sooner than later we will move to the AI in depth, in scratch, from scratch we will discuss. That's why I have taken the one language, and in the very later on stages I will cover the Julia language also. Each and everything I will want to cover, but give me some time, I will come out with some solution, and definitely we will move this one, because administration will not given my permission to take the class after this one. So everything I need to take in the office hour. So that's why these type of things are there. So enjoy learning with this one, and please follow according to me. Please follow according to me in the learning group. And I just now I am sharing this one, and please share your feedback, whatever it may be, whether positive, negative, in all your WhatsApp group and Telegram group. Thanks. Okay, enjoy learning. And hello.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
And have you registered the big data lecture for Sunday?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
And,
sir.
and
Registered.
please try to attend, sir. Please try to attend.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And at least basic concept will be delivered, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Timing, sir. Morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
11 o'clock.
4 to 6. 4 to
4:30.
6.
Timing 4:30. For timing 4:30.
4:30. Okay.
Evening. Sunday. On Sunday, I will require your 1 hour. If you have the time, you can. It is not foundation basically. It is not your foundation. But my heartily desire that if it will be better if you join this one. E-certificate will be issued. It is a free lecture basically. It is a free lecture.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. Till then, take care and please share your feedback in all the groups.
Okay.
Thank you.